Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome to my channel again. Today I have another product review for you and also cards I have created. But before we start, I would like to remind those viewers that watched my video a couple of weeks ago where I had a giveaway to check out the winners list, because there is still one winner who hasn't claimed her gift and I wanted to make sure that you have a chance to get it. So I'm gonna post that video in the info box. Click on it and see if you indeed won this card kit. I like to send it to you. So let's get started. Today I have these die cut sheets from Find It, and this one here is called Janine's Art and it's from the Garden Classic collection. All you need to do is push out the elements. They are numbered and then stack them on top of each other. Each sheet has 3 different embellishments. So you have this beautiful birdhouse here, the birds on the branches, and then a flower. Very vibrant colors and just beautiful for spring. The next I have picked for you is the butterflies and flowers collection from Janine's Art, and it has beautiful butterflies in purple and in a light green. We have pinks. So again, each sheet has 3 different embellishments that you can use as card toppers just by putting them together and layering them with foam dots. And then this one here is similar, only in a different color scheme. We have the orange, light yellow, some white, some very pale pinks, and again these are easy to assemble because they have numbers. Here are my cards that I have created with this sheet, and see how pretty they came out. So you have these layers and you can layer them as high or as low as you like. If you don't use all layers, then you can use the extra art for inside of your card or for your envelope or another project. So here I just used a green card as a base, pretty paper, a glitter border that is a sticker sheet, and I stamped a little sentiment, punched out a couple of hearts, and this makes this beautiful spring card. The next one, I used a yellow base card. Again, I used some pretty papers, a little bit of lace ribbon. I layered all the flowers on top of each other, and a couple of layers. This is one right here and this is another one. I just put them on different parts on the card, so you could have just stacked them up and on top of each other, but I just stretched them out a little bit and punched out a couple of doilies, and these are just leftover stickers from the sticker sheets that I used. There's always a little bit of leftover. If you know me by now, I don't throw anything away, so I love to use up my scraps. And here are all the different little scrap stickers that I had left. And doesn't it look cute? And then the last one is going to be a pink card. And again, here is the flower. I just added a tag that I punched out. A little bit of paper. I used my border punches. I don't use them enough. I have many and don't use them as much as I should. So a little bit of pretty paper, and we have 3 beautiful spring cards from just one die cut sheet. Next, I like to share with you a coordinating paper pack. This is also called Butterflies and Flowers Janine's Art Collection. And in this paper pack we have 23 sheets. They are double-sided. And on the back of this cover sheet we have the coordinating collection items. And as you can see, here are the die cut sheets that we have just looked at. So here is the die cut sheet with the butterflies in purple and in orange. And if you go to my website, you will also see other coordinating die cut sheets. So let's go through it so you have a closer look. We have this beautiful colored pencil rose in here, absolutely stunning. And on the back we have a marbled stripe design. This is my favorite. There are these beautiful green leaves, and I can see all kinds of projects with this type of paper. Absolutely beautiful. And this all has this colored pencil effect. On the back we have a greenish marble. Then here are some purple butterflies all over. Very nice. And on the back we have a purple marble. This is a pale rose, almost like a champagne rose, so very muted. And on the back a yellow marble. I like double-sided, because if you don't like one design, then you can use the back. Here we have the pink butterflies, very light pink, very pretty. Smaller and bigger ones. And on the back again the marble in pink. Then we have what looks like a polka dot, but if the camera picks it up, these are small little petals in purple. And on the back we have purple, I don't know, it's not gingham. Well, you see what it is. Purple and white. And then also these cute flowers in white and green. And on the back we have butterflies on a green background. Very pretty. And then also one more bigger design with these beautiful butterflies. And we have, this is a polka dot in a brownish yellow. So yeah, a very beautiful paper pack, 6 by 6, and this is Janine's art. So speaking of butterflies, I also wanted to show you the glitteration stickers. They come in silver glitter and in gold glitter. These are stunning stickers, and one really would make the difference if you would just use one on your card or your envelope. What I like with these stickers is they also have this flight path laid out here that you can use to bring in some movement into your cards. And you have the butterflies in a profile and also from top. So these are very pretty and very glittery in gold and in silver. So these are identical in just the two colors. Also, this is my favorite staple that I go to when I make cards, and these are these glitter borders. These are from Elizabeth Craft Design. Let's see if this camera zooms in. It has problems when it is so glittery, but those are peel-off stickers from the Elizabeth Craft Design. And you just peel them off, and here we go. You just peel them off and then add them to your cards. So earlier I showed you this card, and this is what I'm talking about, these stickers here. they come off these sticker sheets, and this is one of my favorite one because it has these micro glitter that doesn't come off and peels off very easily and finishes a card and makes it look so great. And then with all this glitter, I also wanted to let you know that I'm now carrying the Wink of Stella brush in my store. So if you have never tried it, this will add shimmer to everything you put it on. It has a brush top and it just displays this beautiful shimmery liquid to everything you put it on. So it's not a glitter glue, it just gives you a lot of shimmer. So, and it says here shimmer with no mess, and that's exactly what it is. So if you haven't tried it yet, it's very easy to use, and I just love how the effects are with this particular pen. So to finish it off today, I would like to share with you the Hobby House card toppers. This one here is called Spring Welcome, and Hobby House has these stamped-like images. Each sheet has 3 different images and they come twice. So on this one, the Spring Welcome, we have the sheep with the duckling. Here the ducklings in the umbrella with the little frog, and then the lamb and the tulip card, and then again you have this on here twice. Now this looks like somebody stamped it and colored it in professionally. Now I'm not a big stamper and I certainly cannot color like this, but once in a while I do like this colored in look, and this is a great compromise. You just use one of these toppers and make cards with them, or of course these are also good for other projects. I also picked the Meadow Friends, and this one has the owls here. Here's a birdhouse in a flower pot, and here is the owl. Now look how adorable this is with the turtle, and then the little ladybug in the pocket, and this one, the lady owl here with her sweater. Here's again the little ladybug, a butterfly. So these are very cute images and have this stamped-like look. I made a card with this sheet, and I used the little lamp with the card full of tulips. And since each image comes twice, you can also cut out one. So I fuzzy cut one of these, and then I layered it. So you have this 3D look, a little bit of pretty paper, just a flower from my stack, and here's a great spring birthday card. I think that's my favorite. Thanks everyone for tuning into my channel again and spending some time with me today. I hope you liked my cards and my products. If so, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you liked. And you can also join us on Facebook, where you can upload your own projects. I would love to see what you create. So stay tuned for more videos on products and cards from me. Thank you again, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.